Greetings, sociopaths. Well, today I have a Dad Sews quick tip.
Dad Sews, this is how it goes with Dad Sews.
Very soon I'm going to be sewing my very first quilt block, and I'm going to be tossing it in the mail and sending it to the Quilting Marine. People from all over the world are sending him quilt blocks, and he's going to make a beautiful quilt from that. Now, you know, on Dad Sews, I only sew things for the very first time on camera for you. That way you can see all my mistakes or successes. You know my motto, sow, fail, repeat. Now, I can't claim this idea as my very own. I was scouring YouTube, watching hours and hours of quilting videos, and then I stumbled on an excellent video by Eleanor Burns of Egg Money Quilts. She had the idea of using Post-it notes as the perfect seam allowance guide. It's such a great idea because you just rip off the back of the Post-it notes and it sticks right to your machine. Or you can rip it in half and use two for a really long seam allowance guide. It's such a good idea. Plus, you have the benefit of taking a marker and writing all the important information down. Maybe you write your current seam allowance, what order you're doing your blocks in, any information you need, like maybe the name of the person whose idea it was. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. Be sure to check out Eleanor's original video. I've linked it below, and check out the Quilting Marine. Very soon, I'm going to be doing a video using this very tip to make my very first quilt block. I really hope you check it out. Please click a thumbs up if you liked this tip or thought it was helpful. Hey, click thumbs up even if you didn't like the tip or think it was helpful. Share with your friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram @DadSews and Facebook.com/DadSews. All right, I'll see you with a very new video soon. Hey, I hope you liked that video. Be sure to click right here to subscribe, and you'll be instantly entered to win a free sewing machine. How cool is that? And click right here for another great video. Hey, it may be better than this one. Go on, I'll wait. Seriously, I have all day.